Good morning. Here we are today in another episode of my diabetic journey. So, if you want to know what happened today, you know what to do. Stick around. Good morning. I'm up early. It is 8:05. We're up a little early because the nurse should be here this morning. As you see, I've got my breakfast together. So as soon as I take my medication, I will catch you guys outside when I start walking. Oh my goodness. Well, this weekend was pretty good for me. It was my mom's birthday, my dad's. Their wedding anniversary was Sunday. They have been married 57 years. My mom turned 77. My two brothers came down from Austin, and we went to go, do a little celebration with her at the facility. 3 grandchildren were there, and, we took balloons and talked to her and everything, and she remembered a little bit of us because she has dementia, early Alzheimer's, and we stayed there and talked with her till she got tired. When she said she was tired, they came in and made her bed up and got her in the bed. And by the time we went back in there, she was asleep. So the youngest grandson, he's 4, he gave her a kiss on the forehead and said, ew. He said, love you, Grandma. And everybody else calls her Gran, okay? He's the only one that calls her Grandma. But I think it was beautiful, and it's all right. So I hope everybody's weekend was good. I'm back at this walking thing, and last week, I think out of all week, I think I walked one day. I walked one day out of the whole week. It rained almost every morning when I got ready to start walking. Now that little dog you heard, that dog ain't never been at that gate all this time I've been walking. But I got my stick this morning. If any of them feel froggy this morning, they gonna feel this stick. It's not the average stick. This is like a metal pole. So, and I do have a good swing, but I am past the marker. So I will catch you when I make it home. Bye-bye. All right, here's how many steps I did this morning in my walk. And I'm trying to get myself back up to where I was at 4,000. My goal by the end of the week is 4,500 steps. So I'm really going to be pushing it the next few days of this week to get myself back in the groove of walking. When you take off a week or so, you have to really get yourself back in it. You just can't jump and push yourself to where you were the week before. So much has been going on. Life does its thing. So life was lifing these past 2 weeks, and I need to get back in the swing. So 35:15, that's good for this morning, but I really want to get back to 4,500 because my ultimate goal is I want to get to 5,000, but that'll probably be next week. And I would like to have 10,000 steps a day. That's really pushing it, but that is one of my goals because I want to lose weight and I want to reverse this type 2 diabetes, because you can reverse it. I've done it before and I know I can do it again. I think this time is more stress added into my life than it was then. So I have to manage my stress, eat properly, get enough rest, and drink enough water to help reverse this type 2 diabetes. So I thank you all for coming along with me on my journey. As I do this diabetes thing, there's not a meal plan in this one today, but there will be a meal. Hopefully tomorrow's video, you'll see a dinner. I'm really working on being more consistent and cooking diabetic meals. Like I said, life has been lifing these past 2 weeks, so things were kind of off kilter. So hopefully we can get everything back in groove this week. Okay, I'm home. And what I did is when I got to the block before here, I picked up my pace, started walking really fast, trying to burn off more fat, and I'm tired. So now, going in to drink me some water and cool down. And I'll see you later on. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.